Welcome to part 2, guys, of the designer review. As I said before, if you watch my first video where I talk about how Designrr works, if you want to create an ebook, I wanted to go through the pricing so that you know exactly before you buy anything, if you decide that you want to try design and it's for you, that you know which one is your best option. Now, as I said it on my other video, I bought Designrr on the 27 US dollar, which is a lifetime access, and it gave me access to everything that I mentioned in the other video. I'm not going to go through it again. You can see the video on it's the first video of the YouTube channel that you can see. And that was enough for me. But Designrr, once you buy it, it gives you different options. Now, this is the main page of Designrr, and if we go on pricing, you will actually see that these are the packages that they're offering. They're talking about monthly plans, whether you have a business plan, agency plan. So you have a pro for 39 US a month. That allows you you have over 200 covers. You can create a cover image tool for 3D if you want to create like an ebook that it looks like a book on a 3D design. You have the $49 and the $99 a month. This is what comes out for the business plan in the Pro, the Premium, and the Business. This is directly accessible once you sign in on with your site. Once you become a member of the site, that's where you can see the monthly plans and the different options that they give you. But I just wanted to show you okay, what I did. I paid for the $27, which for me was more than enough for what I wanted to get. The $27 allow me to import, just to go briefly again, through URL from, I can import my content of a book from Microsoft Word. I can import it from Facebook. I can create a new ebook from scratch. Everything that I needed to create the ebooks was in the $27. Once you go on the link, I will leave the link at the bottom of this video. You will come up to this page if you want to have a look and something happened to this video. You can actually watch it, and you will see by now at $27 the lifetime license, which they say here normally costs $324 per year, but hey, I suppose they have the super offer. For me, I wasn't ready to spend $324, but $27 seemed good enough. And for what I needed, which I wanted an ebook to generate more leads, increase the traffic. I'm not about selling any ebooks yet, but that was the main things that I needed to do. So it's serving the purpose as it is. You will be able to import it from URL, import it from Word, create a new draft, create empty projects, import from Facebook, and import manually. This is what the 27 US one-time payment only will give you access to. You'll have lots of templates to choose, and you will be able, as I showed in the previous video, to customize your website. You don't have any 3D cover, but there are free ways to get it, to have a 3D cover done, which I can leave you on the in the description below. I will leave you some links if you're interested in finding a way to get 3D covers done for free. And this is what you get on the basic, that 27. Now, once you sign up and you pay, remember, every program that you buy with Designrr will give you a 30 days money back guarantee, so you can try it. If you're not happy, you can always ask for the refund, and everything is okay. If you sign up and you buy it, you will end up in the page. Let me see if I can sign in mine or not. Okay, let me log in mine for a second so you will see. Okay, I'm signing up in mine, and you will see the upgraded. This is the main page that opens up every time you sign in on your website, where you actually have tutorial videos as well, which are very useful. But talking about the prices, you see the upgrade here. It will tell you if you want to upgrade from the standard, which is the one I have, you can upgrade to the Pro for 97. You have the premium for 297, and you have the business. The Pro, it's, if I wanted to upgrade, that's what it is. I can access it directly. The Pro will show you. Let me see if I have the Pro here. Okay, if I click on the Pro, this is what I get. The prices of the Pro would be 468, but they give it to you for 97 for 1 year, and you can try for free for 7 days. The Pro does give you a little bit more than what the standard was allowing you to do. And the difference mainly with the Pro is that you can actually publish to Kindle, Flipbook Creator, and you have the 3D cover generator. So there are more things that you have access as features. You can also import with a PDF, which on the standard option is not available. You can only import from the Microsoft Word, but not from a PDF. So this is basically the difference, and if you want it, you can always give it a try. I wanted to make a short a short video about it. What I did, I have not gone through the 97. I only stick to the $27 for now. All I'm using it is to promote small ebooks to give away for free. So if the day comes when I want to write a proper ebook and publish it, then I will probably go for the 97. But until then, I think this is it's more than good. It's actually good enough. So for those of you that decided that want to try it, I will leave the link to access this one, the 27, the lifetime license, on the video below. And if you are interested in, let me see if I find it now on my computer. If you're interested in finding a way to do your 3D covers without having to pay any money, this is what I use. I'll leave the link also down. It's a completely free site. It's a DIYbookcovers.com. And what you do is, say you want a single cover book, you want a cover book that looks like that. And all you have to do is click next, import. Say, I don't know if I have any image to, I don't know. I mean, I'm importing one, but I'm just picking out of the blue. I honestly don't have any idea how it looks, but just to show you how easy it is to No Man's Sky. Here you go. And I would click, sorry, let me go back to the hello in the back. Okay, I'm just playing around with it, but just to give you an idea how easy it is to create a 3D cover without having to pay any money. So say I want to save it as a JPEG. Okay, I think it is done. And if I want to open it on my computer as a preview to what it looks like. My computer is very slow, by the way. You probably have realized that by now. Here you go. That's the 3D cover book. So as you can see, it's very easy to create a 3D cover without having to upgrade to anything, not for the time being. And I will leave the link below. This is DIY book design, definitely free, no sign up, no trial, no credit card, no nothing. And I hope you find it useful for whatever it is that you need anyway. So this was my intake about, that was the second video about Designrr, what I wanted to tell you about the pricing and what do you get. I would suggest, if you're interested, go with the 27, which is more than enough. Give yourself a trial and test the complete site, the platform, if it's good for you. If it is good for you, you have a 30 days money back guarantee. You can always ask the money back if you're not happy with. And if you're happy and you think you want more, you always have time to upgrade later on down the way. So this is it. I'm signing off. I hope you find this useful. If you do, maybe put some thumbs up. I am trying to build my site, and obviously I'm very slow, but I can appreciate any thumbs up or any comments from anybody. Take care. Bye.